Hi there again, teachers and students. So what I will be sharing with you this time is the easiest way how to erase the background of an image using Microsoft Word. But before that, in case you learn from this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, classmates, or even your co-teachers. Remember, sharing is caring. And don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, Amethy, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my video. So start na tayo. I have here a document, Lorem Ipsum. I downloaded it from the internet. Okay? Usually, modules mas na-attract ang mga students if meron tayong ginamit ng mga images, meron mga pictures. Kaya lang, nagiging problema natin, what if yung mga images na na-download natin ay merong background? Okay, so there are two ways how to erase those backgrounds of our image. Okay, so mag-insert muna tayo ng picture. Okay, so pwede ang picture nyo is from your computer or you may download from the internet. You can have online pictures. Okay, dito muna tayo. So, I have here picture of a teacher. Let's say picture of a teacher. But the problem is, meron siyang background dito. So, paano siya ma-erase? Palakihin lang natin to. Okay, so palakihin lang natin siya. Okay. First, click nyo yung image, then go sa format, then remove background. Okay? And then, i-adjust nyo yung border hanggang sa end ng lahat ng sides ng image nyo na gusto nyong ma-crop. Okay? Okay, let's say dito, itong violet, lahat ng violet na yan ay mawawala. Yan yung may erase. So, meron pang natirang violet dito. Ibig sabihin, may erase din yung color ni teacher. So, paano natin i-keep yung color niya? So, i-mark nyo yung ito, mark areas to keep, then click doon sa part na yun ng image, and that's it. Makikita na uli, magiging visible na uli yung part na yun ng image. And then, keep changes. So, nakita natin na wala yung background ng picture ni teacher. Let's say, kukuha tayo maglalagay tayo ng another picture dito. Ilalagay natin sa blackboard. So, insert ulit tayo. Halimbawa, pinili natin ay eto. Sa kung ano mang kadahilanan, iyan ang gagamitin natin. Usually, pag nag-insert tayo ng picture, hindi natin nadadrag sa kung saan gusto natin ilagay. So, paraan yan, para bago natin yung position ng ating image, is i-right click nyo siya, and then pumunta sa wrap text, then pwede na kayong pumili dito. And karaniwang ginagamit ko is in front of text. So, pag napindot na siya, pwede nyo na ngayon ma-drag yung image. So, paliitin lang natin. Okay, next. Kaya lang, ang problema, meron pa ring background. Itong flower na napili natin. So, isa pang way ng pag-erase ng image is, again, i-click yung image na yon, punta ng format, then pumunta ng color. And then, set transparent color. Then, i-click yung color ng image nyo na gusto nyong tanggalin. Halimbawa, itong white as background niya. So, pagka-click, tada, nawala na agad yung background. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. So again, ulitin ko, there are two ways of erasing the background of an image. So it's either you use the remove background or the color and click the set transparent color. Okay, so good day and until our next video. Ciao!